Good morning, students. Class 6. Now you have to read about the separation of components from the mixture, that is solid liquid mixture. Here we mix the sugar in water, and this is the mixture of sugar and water. Now we have to separate the water and sugar from it. Now there are two processes for separation of the solid from the liquid or both components. Now first evaporation and second crystallization. Evaporation. In evaporation what we do, that the mixture is placed on the Bunsen burner. That is, mixture is heating for evaporate the liquid. When we heat the mixture, water is converted into vapor. Now this process is called evaporation, you know. Now when we pass this vapor through the ice container, it is converted into what? Water again. Now we can collect this water from the mixture and sugar remains in the container. Now we separate the sugar and water from the mixture of sugar and water. Understand? Now crystallization. In crystallization we get the pure sample of solid from its impure sample. Suppose that there is the impure sample of sugar. Now we have to obtain the pure sample. At first we dissolve that sugar in water. Then filter the solution. Then what happens? Impurities comes on filter paper and solution comes in beaker. Then we take this solution in the china dish and heat it. When solution is heated, then evaporation takes place and stirring is continuously done. We stir the solution until and unless there is sugar particles come. When sugar particles come, then we understand that this is the saturated solution of sugar. Now we stop it heating. Understand? And then we keep it in the ice box. When we keep it in the ice box, we get the crystal of sugar. Now this is the pure sample of sugar, which is obtained by impure sample, and this is called the crystallization. Why? Because we get the sample in the form of crystal. Crystal means, you understand, that the substance which is rough in touch, which is rough in touch, that is called the crystalline substance, and which is smooth, soft in touch, that is called the non-crystalline. And in this process we get the pure sample in the form of crystal. So this process is called crystallization. Now what will be the definition of crystallization? This is the process of obtaining pure form of crystal of substance from its impure sample. Write down please. Crystallization is a process of obtaining pure form of crystal of substance from its impure sample. Understand? Now you will see the video in my class, then you will understand very well. Okay.